Welcome to Pravek's Quality Control Facility in Noida. At Pravek, we pride ourselves on our advanced QC facility, which is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and staffed by highly trained professionals. Our mission to deliver the best quality Ayurvedic products drives us to perform rigorous tests in accordance with the Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India parameters, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Our quality control facility features cutting-edge equipment, much of which is not commonly available in India. We use the internationally acclaimed ICP OES machine to limit and maintain the permissible levels of heavy metals in all medicines manufactured by Pravek. Thank you for being a part of our journey towards nurturing wellness through the power of nature and the precision of science. Pravek, trusted since 1992.